Hello everybody, this is Dr. George once again, and I wanted to illustrate once again the position of hips in place when a mom is going to become a mom once again. This is Olivia, she's going to be a third time mom any day, her due date's today, so if you come over on this side, Daisy, I want to show the position of the hip joints. So my thumbs are going right into the sacroiliac joints, and if you can see, this one's deeper than this one. So we're going to put this hip joint right back in its position. I just wanted to illustrate how deep those hip joints are. There you go. Thank you.